Find the sum of all the multiples of 12 from 24 to 240 inclusive. So starting with 24, that's of course 12 times 2. Then 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, and then of course we're going to keep going all the way up to 240. So this of course is an arithmetic sequence. A sub 1 is 24, D of course is 12, and N, that's what we want to determine. Well, we want to go up to 240. Now 20 times 12 is 240. But remember, we started at 24. In other words, we didn't start at 12. So that means that N is actually going to be 19. It's the 19th term. We want to know what the sum of all those multiples are from 24 to 240. And therefore, we use the formula S equals N divided by 2 times the sum of A sub 1 plus A sub N. So the sum would be equal to 19 divided by 2 times the sum of 24 plus 240. That would be, the sum equals 19 halves of 264. And when we multiply by 19 and divide by 2, we'll find the sum of those 19 terms is equal to 2,508.